So hello everyone, this is problem number 560, sub-array sum. We have given a array and a k, integer k, which is equal to sum. So we have to find out the number of sub-arrays in this array whose sum is equal to 3. So how can we find out it? In a linear time complexity, because in the order of n square we can find out it very easily, but our task is to find out in order of n. So for that we have to think some recursively, means some other approaches, just like there is a piece and whose whole length is 5, and if you want 3, so if you want 3 here, so we can find out 2. If 2 is present, then we can confirm that it is equal to 3. Means if we found 3, if we find out 3, so first found if 2 is present. If 2 is present and whole sum is 5, then it is confirmed that 3 is present. So for that we have to use a prefix sum concept. Okay, prefix sum concept, I think you have already known what is prefix sum. Prefix sum is basically add from, just like 1, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1 plus 3. This is called the prefix sum, adding from the last, first to last. This is called prefix sum, and we can store this prefix sum in an unordered map with its frequency, means how many times this prefix sum is occurring. So just like see here 1 plus 2, 2 plus 3, it is 6, 6 minus 3 is 6 minus 3 is 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 1 6. So here up to here it is 6, and our aim is to find 3. So if is 6 minus 3 with 3, so we can check if in the unordered map there is any previously prefix sum which is equal to 3. So then this is 3, and so the prefix sum 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, and this 3 minus 3 make it 0, and if we add 3 plus 0, it is become 3. So there are two arrays. One array is this whose sum is 3, and if we only calculate this is also 3. Means by the prefix sum 3 we can conclude two arrays whose sum is 3. So we have to store in the 3 unordered map 3 its frequency plus plus. We have to store unordered 3 plus plus, means we have to store the frequency of the prefix sum, then only we can know how many times this prefix sum occur before what we have to find out. Okay, so let's see the code for it. It gives more clearance. So here is the code for this solution. Here given a vector and an index k, which the sum we have to find out. So we have created an unordered map, frequency, prefix frequency sum, and a count for creating how many number of sub arrays, and a sum for the sum. Okay, so prefix sum 0. If whole the array is equal to k, means the whole, if we add all the numbers of the array and it is equal to k, so there is 1, means, and the unordered have empty. So we have first initialize prefix frequency 0 is equal to 1. Okay, it is for whole the array. If whole the array have this sum is equal to 0, or if from the starting if it matches the k, so we have first initialize prefix frequency sum is equal to 0, means base case prefix sum equal to appears once before starting. Okay, so then we can traverse int nums from nums, sum plus equal to nums, means we add the, this is sum is prefix sum, we can adding from the last, and we check if prefix sum dot count, means the prefix sum means sum minus k. We can subtract the k from the prefix sum, and we can check if this subtraction is present. If this present, then we are able to create an array whose sum is k. It's like the concept we see 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. If 2 is present, then we can assure that 3 is also present. Okay, so if this is present, means count this is not equal to 0, so count plus is equal to prefix sum. This prefix sum frequency sum minus k, keep its frequency, then how many times this sum minus k is present, we can add it into the count, and after that we can prefix sum plus plus and return count. Okay, so thanks, I think you understand the code. Follow and like for the more videos.